water running because the kitchen is right out there. But I'm about to show you guys how I bleach my knots on my wig. I am going to be bleaching the knots on this burgundy wig that I got from West Kiss Hair. My hair's like this because I thought I was going to attempt to braid down my hair, but I got my nails done. Can't braid down my hair, so I'm going to call my friend to come over and braid my hair down. So I'm about to bleach these fronts. I'm excited. This hair looks cute. So yeah. These are some brushes I got from Sally's. And then I'm going to be using some gloves to protect my hands. And then this is the bowl I'll be putting the bleach mixture in. So I'll be using 30 volume developer and the bleaching powder. And then this is the shampoo that I use on my weave. It has silicone in it, just to let you know. And I'm going to use a 3-minute deep conditioning conditioner. So I'm just going to use about 2 scoops of the powder. And then I'm going to pour the developer in there. And it should be like a paste, like a really thick paste. It should not be drippy. You're going to see I'm going to end up adding more volume developer because it wasn't mixing as well. And I think I might show you guys the consistency of it. But it shouldn't be watery, very drippy. It needs to be very thick like pudding. So as you can see, it was a little bit drippy, so I ended up adding a little bit more powder because, you know, it needs to be a pudding consistency so it doesn't seep through your lace. Luckily, I made my consistency thick with the bleach, so nothing didn't seep through. So it was just a cool process. I didn't over bleach anything, so it was pretty easy to bleach this wig. It wasn't that hard, and it looked kind of already bleached a little bit, but I just wanted to go in to perfect it so it looks natural. And as you can see, when I'm applying the bleach, it's like I'm doing it very soft and nice, as if it's a paintbrush. I'm not pushing down hard. I'm just like grazing the lace. I don't want anything to seep through. I don't want any over bleaching to happen. So I'm just laying that bleach on top of the lace so it would allow the knots to be bleached and not over bleached. So right here, I'm just gonna speed it up so y'all can just see what I'm doing. As I already explained, I'm just nicely painting it over, so this part will be sped up. A 15-minute timer just to start it off. It honestly took me about 30 minutes to bleach the knots completely. And now, since the bleaching process is done, I'm gonna wash the bleach out, and then I'm going to use that silicone shampoo to shampoo the hair, and then I'll come in with the conditioner afterwards. So now I'll be taking my diffuser to diffuse the hair just to help it dry a little bit quicker, because I planned on installing this hair the day I filmed this video. So now you'll see me taking the clips and attaching it just to make the wig tighter, because I have a smaller head and I need the wig to sit right on my head. So now I'll be taking this L'Oreal powder that's like a darker brown, similar, close or near my skin tone, just to put on the lace so it'll blend and look more natural when I do the install. So now that the wig is on my head, and I'm just going to be adjusting it a little bit, and then I'm going to try to create a middle part as clean as possible, and then I'm going to pluck in, alter the part a little bit more so it can look crisp and clean and a little bit more natural. So the white substance that you see is, I guess, a little bit of the bleach that didn't get washed out, but I end up fixing that before the end of the video, so you won't see that after a while.
We're here.
So now I'm going to be plucking the wig just to make the part a little bit straighter. You know, you want a crisp, nice middle part, so that's what I was trying to achieve with the tweezers. So I'm about to use the Ghost Bond glue, but first I'm marking my forehead with a black eyeliner pencil, which I normally don't do, which I shouldn't have done, but I still did it. But it worked out in the end, and it's just to help me mark where I want the glue to go, so it won't be on top of my edges and I won't be left with no edges. So now I'm going to do about 3 coats of the Ghost Bond glue, and you're going to see me go with my blow dryer just to help it dry a little bit quicker. And I'm only doing 3 coats because I'm going to be wearing my wig for a longer period of time, and it's going to help the wig to last longer on my head. So now I'm just taking the comb to like push down on the glue so it'll like stick completely. And the one thing I kind of did with messing up is I didn't let the glue completely dry, so you're gonna still see a little bit of whiteness residue, but I ended up fixing it in the end. Then I end up taking some Got To Be Glued Freeze Blast spray to put on top of the lace just for more security, just to make sure my wig is laid. I know everybody doesn't do this, but I was being a little different and I want to put some Freeze Blast spray on. So now I'm going to be cutting the lace, and I'm going to like split it up into 3 parts because it makes it a little bit easier. I really like to do it with the scissors, but the razor was a little bit helpful this time. I usually don't use the razor, but I usually just solely use the scissors, but I did both this time. So then next I'm going to be styling the hair. I'm just going to be dampening the hair with the water and then putting some curling cream or leave-in conditioner by Curls. So the last of this is just me trying to do my edges real quick because I had to go to work. But make sure you give me some feedback on this video and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Thank you for watching this video.